Fit for Ford Focus 2012, 2013, 2015, 2015. OE number 643237. To replace your missing washer cap and keep the fluid in the tank. To keep the trash out and seal the bottle. Easy installation. Remove the old washer reservoir cap, then install the new cap on the washer reservoir. Make sure that it will be fitted and sealed on the washer reservoir to avoid any leaks. Highly recommend. Check under your hood every time you have your vehicle serviced. This plastic cap can become brittle with age, especially in hot climates. Top reviews from the United States. Mine was missing from my car. I ordered this to replace the one that was missing on my. I installed it in no time at all. It does what it is supposed to do.